Nagesh Karajgi Orchid channel, myself Harsha teacher. Today we are going to learn increasing order. First we will see the short video and then later on we will see what is the increasing order.
Increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order. Numbers arranged from the smallest to the largest are said to be in increasing order. For example, in the given numbers, 1 is the smallest number. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 is the largest of them all. Decreasing order. Numbers arranged from the largest to the smallest are said to be in decreasing order. For example, in the given numbers, 43 is the largest number. Then 25, 18, 10, 9 and 3 is the smallest of them all.
So today we are going to learn increasing order and decreasing order. Okay. Just now we have seen the video of increasing order and decreasing order. But in that first we are going to learn that is increasing order. Increasing order means what? Numbers arranged from the smallest to the largest are said to be an increasing order. Means जो number है इधर, the numbers which are given here, that first of all we have to see which number is smallest and then later on we have to see that after that smallest number which number comes in the given number. Then in this way we have to write from smallest number to the largest number. Now for example, here the number is here. Rearrange the given numbers in increasing order. Here we can see some numbers. We will read that number and then we will write. First one is number 7, then 5, then 2, then 1, then 3, then 4. Now in this all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have given here 6 different numbers. In that we have to see which is the smallest number. After that, here now see, here the number 1 is smallest in this given number. So here we have to write number 1. See, now here we have to write number 1. After 1, which number will come? Yes, from these numbers, from the given numbers, which number will come we have to see. 2 will come. Then number 3 will come. Then number 4, then 5 and at last here number 7 will come. So why we have wrote like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7? Because we have to put them in increasing order. They have given us the numbers here and that numbers we have to put in increasing order. So from the smallest number to the biggest number we have written here. Same thing we have to do here. See here 1 3 13, 1 7 17, 2 0 20, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 1 1 11. So here which is the smallest number? 1 1 11. So we will write here 1 1 11. After that 1 3 13. Yes. After that 1 7 17. Then 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 2 0 20. See here also the same thing we have done. First you were having a lot of chocolates but they were not in proper. So what you have done? You have made the bundles of different all the chocolates. In one bundle 13, in one bundle 17 chocolates you kept. Then later on what you have done? You have kept that chocolates bundle, box, bowl in a sequence. That is 1 1 11, 1 3 13, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 2 0 20. So here next. See the number 2 1 21, 3 7 37, 2 2 22, 4 8 48, 3 3 33, 3 1 31. So here which is the smallest number? Yes, 2, 1, 21 is the smallest number. After that, which number will come? 2 to 22. Yes, very good. After that, see here now, 3, 7, 37, 4, 8, 48, 3, 3, 33 and 3, 1, 31. So, what we have to do? We have to write here 3, 1, 31. Then 3, 3, 33. Then 3, 7, 37. Then 4, 8, 48. Got it? So, what we have to do? We have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. I will wait for a minute and then we will see page number 5353. See, write the numbers in increasing order. Already for the one sample here, it is written. We have to see and then we have to write. See here, the number 2, 7, 27, 1, 9, 19, 3, 1, 31. Then in this box, which number will come first? We have to see and that we have to write. Which is the smallest number from these three given numbers? 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. Now the remaining two numbers are there. That is 2, 7, 27, 3, 1, 31. Then which is the smaller from these two numbers? Yes, 27. See, from smaller number to the bigger number we are writing. So first we wrote 1, 9, 19. Yes, and then 2, 7, 27 and then 3, 1, 31. Here we can see that after 1, 9, 19, which is the bigger number, that also we can see and write. Or after writing one number, remaining two numbers are there. From that, which is the smaller number, that also we can see and write. Means in both the way you can write it. Somebody can write properly by after 19, which is the bigger number, you can see and write. Somebody can remember in this remaining two numbers, which is the smaller, and in this way we can write that. Okay, next is 6, 4, 64, 8, 7, 87, 7, 8, 78. So 6, 4 is smaller. Then remaining these two numbers. From these two numbers, which will come first? 7, 8, 78. Then 8, 7, 87. 5 to 52, 3, 5, 35, 4 to 42. So here you have to write first 3, 5, 35. 4 to 42. Then 5 to 52. Next 30, 21, 19. So here 19, 21, 30. Next 84, 92, 73. 73, 84, then 92. Yes. Next is 77, 68, 89. 68, 77, 89. So in this way you have to learn the numbers 1 to 100 properly. So you can do that properly and you can understand the numbers smaller to biggest. 1, 4, 14, 3, 5, 35, 2, 9, 29. So first 1, 4, 14, 2, 9, 29, 3, 5, 35. 92, 79, 80. So here first will come 79, then 80, then 92. Okay, got it everybody? I will wait for a minute, just you see, and then later on we will go on the next page. 5, 4, 54. Just I will wait for a minute. Here we are going to learn decreasing order. Just now we have learned increasing order. Now we are going to learn decreasing order. Numbers arranged from the largest to the smallest are said to be an decreasing order. Okay. What we have to do here? Before in increasing order, what we have done? The smaller number first we wrote and then later on like that only we came to the bigger number. But here in decreasing order, we have to write first biggest number, means largest number, and then come to the smallest number. For example, now see here the numbers they have given us, that first we will read and then we will write. First is 1 8 18, 1 0 10, 4 3 43, then 3 9 25. Now so many chocolates are there. One boy is having chocolates in a bowl, but the bowls are different. In different bowls, the number of different quantities of chocolates are there. But we have to see that which bowl has more chocolates. In which bowl the chocolates are more, we have to see. So 4 3 43 is largest number. So first the 43 chocolates will come here. Okay. बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर पे जाना है. तो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट हियर द लार्जेस्ट नंबर. वी कैन से लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑल्सो, बिगेस्ट नंबर ऑल्सो. 4 3 43. Yes. Now later on 2 5 25. Then next 1 8 18. Then 1 0 10. Then 9. Then 3. आपके पास 43 चॉकलेट्स थे, आपने सबको थोड़े थोड़े देकर आपके पास सिर्फ 3 बचे हैं. तो दिस इज डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट 26 33 12 42 32. So in this we have to see first largest number. Which is the largest number? 4 to 42. After that, first we have to write largest number and next we have to write smallest number. After 42, every time it must come smallest number, that is 33. After 33, which is the smallest number in this given number, we have to see and then only we have to write 30. Then 26. Then 12, then 2. Okay. In this way you have to write decreasing numbers in decreasing order. 45, 13, 5, 4, 20 and 1. Here you have to write first largest number. Yes, 4 5 45. Now the number which they have given, we have to see and write that smallest number. After 45 number, the number which will come, that will be small than 4 5 45. So 2 0 20. After that 1 3 13. After that 5 4 and 1. You write it. I will wait for a minute. Increasing order means every time we have to write smallest number to the biggest number, and decreasing orders means every time we have to write from largest number to smallest number. Next page. Here we have to see and write here which is the largest number in this. 2 7 27. Next 1 9 19. First we have to see the largest number, and when we write here the largest number, and later on when we write here the number, that time we have to see the smallest number. The numbers which is small than 2 7 27, that we have to write here. Now after writing 1 9 99, we have to see the smallest number after 1 9 99 which comes. So 1 4 14. After 1 4 14, 1 12 12 is smallest number. See here, before you were having 2 7 27 chocolates. When you gave to someone with you, only 1 9 19 were there. once again you gave to someone, then you were having 14 chocolates, then 12, then 3, yes, no, then 4. 4, then 3. So here what happens? It went on decreasing. yes, जैसे आपके पास 27 चॉकलेट्स थे, आपके पास चॉकलेट्स कम होते गए. इसका मतलब है डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. सेम थिंग you have to write here. 4 8 48, 4 2 42, 3 3 33, 2 9 29, 1 7 17, 1 2 12. Here now 8 1 81, 7 1 71, 5 1 51. See here they all gave the numbers of 11, 81, like this 71. Okay. So here all 1 number is there, second digit. So you must not get confused. Yes, 81, 71, 51, then 31, then 21, and then 11. So in this way you have to write this properly. I will wait for a minute. And then later on, now you open your workbook, maths workbook. After opening your maths workbook, page number 3030, write here HW homework. You have to practice at home. This also HW homework. Today we have learned decreasing and increasing, so we have to practice both. Page number 3333 also homework. So today we have learned increasing order and decreasing order, and whatever we have done, learn in the skill book, that you have to practice in the workbook. Thank you.